Hi and welcome to South Hill Farm. Today we will be showing you how we have made our own potato sorts and the process. As you can see here, we have our little field with the potato. We see here pictures of the flowers that is on the potato plant. These flowers will be pollinated from the sorts of potatoes we have, and they will again create our own unique sort. Here we see apple or tomato, as it's also called, since tomato and potato are in family. Here we see a glass with tomatoes that we have put in water. We do the same with potato also. It's a fermentation process, and here we see it in day 3. And here 3 to 12 weeks later. This is an individual assessment when it's dissolved, and you can spot the seeds, as you can see here in the picture. And you can see here is shaking and rinse it for other residues than the seeds. And she does this process again and again until the water is clear. So she takes out the water and the seeds will drop down to the bottom. And she then, over several steps, remove all residues. So she's left with the seeds, and now she has to, you can see the water here is clear, and she shakes it the last time to get everything out. You can see now it's only seeds left in the bottom of the jar. And then she will remove most of the water like this, and after next process she will put a cotton cloth over a glass, and so she will only receive, you can see here how she does that. And then she takes a cotton cloth and pour the rest of the content in. Next step in the process is she's going to dry up the seeds, and when they're completely dry you can store these seeds for many years, so you will always have a backup seeds. And when they're dried, she put it on a paper, as you can see. So she's making sure that they're 100% dry, so they won't get spoiled in storage. And here you can see it's very small seeds, and every seed have potential of becoming a unique potato flower plant. And here we can see she puts just a few in every box there. And if you follow our channel, you will see how they will grow. We're going to show you some pictures from previous year, but we will follow these potatoes to from seeds to dinner table ultimately. And make sure to keep them moist. And here we have our little indoor greenhouse. The plants demands a lot of time and sun to grow. So here you see after 3 weeks, we start in February because they have a long season. And when the first frost has left the farm, we can start placing them out. Here they are after 3 months. And the potato will slowly but surely grow, as you can see here. In August we will dig up the small potatoes, and we will use them this year. Here we have from last year, and follow us, and you can see how they will develop to big potatoes and end up on the food table. Please like and subscribe to follow us and our potato harvest and the process of making our own unique potatoes. Thank you so much.